Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 3rd, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on the watermelon and the cantaloupe plants. The watermelons tried to make a break for it, and they actually came out through the fence. They were out in the yard, and we redirected them back in through the fence. They didn't have any watermelon fruit hanging on them yet. This is a Japanese beetle. You want to get rid of these. They'll destroy your plants, and they'll eat the leaves, and not a good thing to have around. This one up here, you have to put it back and through. We've actually had the one crookneck pumpkin that we grow. It's a family heirloom, and we've had them actually grow out into the yard already, to the point where we had to actually mow around them because we couldn't even mow the grass there because of how much they came out. Now this stem here has a little watermelon on it. It didn't bloom yet, and providing it gets proper pollination, it should give us a watermelon. So what we're going to have to do, because this is off the ground, you can see how far it's off the ground there, we're going to have to give this support with like a mesh netting or some kind of old pantyhose or something that can hold the weight of the watermelon. I'm not exactly sure which one this one is. You can look in here and see how much they've been growing. I'll go in the other way from the garden. Hold on a moment. And you can just see how much they've grown. They're out past the tomatoes, and they've come out into the cabbage. This one here is out actually past the cabbage, and it's just going. So I don't know if we have any watermelons hanging on yet. We do have some little bees out here pollinating them, which I'm really happy about, because I can't get into the centers here to try and get to the plants because of how much they've grown out. And so I'm going to count on those little bees to do their job on the ones I can't get to or I can't see. Now all these were fed with was Sea Magic, and they're also planted in that compost bin that we used. Other than that, they've had no other plant food. They got their Sea Magic feeding. I think it was last week they got their Sea Magic feeding. That was their second feeding of it, and they just exploded and growing in blooms. It's been in the 80s and 90s up here in Pennsylvania where I'm at, and watermelons, they like it heat, they like it hot, and so do your other melons. So I gotta watch here I don't step on this one here. I was trying to see if I could find a watermelon or a melon hanging on to show you, but I can't. I think there was one in further, but I can't get to it right now. So they're just all in there growing and blooming away. So hopefully we get a really nice watermelon and melon crop this year. And I will continue to feed these with the Sea Magic every 2 weeks. And I'll keep giving you updates on how they're growing and doing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.